Justin, founder of Zeus Network, what problem does Zeus solve?
Basically, Zeus Network wants to solve the cross-chain infrastructure for Solana overall, where we want to connect to Bitcoins, enabling these Bitcoin coming to Solana permissionlessly without censorships, without entity that are not beneficiary for entire Solana networks.
What kind of traction have you guys seen so far?
We've been doing our social medias for about 2.5+ months already. We have about 60K members in Discord, 30K on followers on Twitter. Most important parts, our first step building on top of Zeus layers, Apollo. We have seen over 5,000 people wants to gain access to the testnet. So our server got held down. There's a real demand, there's a real interest, and we're ready for that.
How do you think about your competitive advantage?
We're using SVN, Solana Virtual Machine, to empower our own consensus, Zeus node, Zeus Consensus. And by far, we have not seen any communication there or bridges that are using permissionless solutions to empower their entire consensus. We advocate decentralization, we advocate permissionless.
What is the ultimate vision for the Zeus Network?
Using Solana Virtual Machine to making sure that we can expand and scale beyond Bitcoins. Maybe we could do Litecoin, Dogecoin, EVM. There are so many choices that we can do afterwards. We are going to be the optimal multi-chain, cross-chain communication layers that is powered by Solana Virtual Machine. So as we grow together, taking LSD so and so, the more we take, the more TVA we get, the more asset and chains that we can put into Solana permissionlessly.
Fantastic. Bringing the world to Solana, but good for the world, good for Solana as well. How will your token function within the Zeus Network?
You need Zeus Token to run Zeus nodes, Zeus verifiers. So if you want to earn additional yield out of your GTO, MSO, or native souls, you probably have to buy some Zeus just to have a status to run multiple nodes. Second, the most important part is that we will share fees to all these Zeus holders. So when you stake your Zeus, you earn cross-chain fees. How does that work? You could stake your Zeus token to earn Bitcoins, because we also charge fees on Bitcoin as well. So that could be interesting moving forward. You earn multiple assets at one time. So when you have multiple DAs, you have multiple tokens.
Why should you be on the LFG Launchpad?
Our team was the first team to use Jupiter SDK 2 years ago. We advocate Jupiter since day one. We know what it takes to build real products. If Zeus as the first project goes on Launchpads, we do pretty well in terms of attractions and brandings. I'm pretty sure we're going to go beyond that. And then once we have Zeus SDKs, Jupiter can integrate our Zeus SDK and allowing native BTC to buy any SPO assets on Jupiter's.
Anything else you want to tell the people at home?
Cool innovations that are coming to Solana and enjoying all these high level liquidity coming to Bitcoins from Bitcoin as well. So the future is cross chains. And I think Zeus Network is ready for this.